In this location, the SOS icon indicates the phone has no reception and cannot connect to the internet. The Lubn app keeps your assigned properties and itineraries securely stored on your phone, no connection required. Switch to showing mode. Find your scheduled showing itinerary, and tap your access code. The app generates an encrypted dynamic QR code on your phone without an internet connection. At the door, press the check-in button on the lockbox. Its built-in camera scans your code and verifies your identity and time window.
Scan QR code now. Got it. Welcome.
Access granted.
Please take the keys.
The drawer releases, and the keys are in your hand. When you're done, return the keys the same way. No signal, no problem.